Alright, week 10. I thought I'd make this a video because I was in the process of capturing something for a report anyway, so I you know what, week 10, see if I can get in trouble for this. What I've done this week is, you can see something glowing here, is that I spent this week making the LOD file work for our project. And as you can see here, I've got it working well. It's working connected to an Arduino. And the Arduino is currently running from this program here, which is the same program I wrote in our prac with the Arduino a long time ago. And it's what I need to do next week is get it working with not only on Arduino, but with our flash file over here. So I need to find a way to connect this to this. But in terms of what happened this week, I spent actually the whole week just trying to get this to cycle through these colors. This is the circuit here, and basically in a nutshell, power is supplied from 12 volts, this cable here, which comes from this power pack down there, sends it through, and it is picked up by these brown cables here, which go through a transistor, and the transistor varies the voltage of that based on the input from the Arduino. And then it gets sent through to the LED wires and then comes out over here. Pretty simple, but I had a big problem where I couldn't get it to turn on, and the problem with that was actually, what happened was I plugged everything in. There's a tutorial said to plug all the cables coming out of the transistor into the ground, which is the negative rail here. But then I thought, you know what if I plugged it in the other way around? So I plugged it into the positive rail and it all worked. So a whole week of debugging just gone because I flipped the input. So that's made me kind of upset. Oh. But touch table is off to a good start, which is great. LEDs are working. So the next step is to get these two connected and build the table around this. And I have to drop some plans for that. So one of the ideas was to have it on a table sitting like this and put a frame around it like that. But my problem is when you're sitting down, it's going to be at the right height. So now seriously, just build a frame around it and then put legs and make it an actual table. So we'll need to work out the best plan of action for that. So yeah, week 10, video journal. I hope this doesn't get me in too much trouble, and it's allowed. If it's all cool with the tutors, I'll do it for the next 3 weeks left in this semester.